Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming access. Make sure you are page admin and enrolled in Business Manager because you need permissions to link assets. Next, check your landing page has HTTPS and a clear CTA so Facebook approves the link. Once done, install the Facebook Pixel or configure the conversion API with your Pixel ID. This lets you track events and optimize ads. Also, create or note the exact landing page URL so you can paste it directly when building your post or ad. You now decide whether to publish an organic link post or build an ad campaign. Choose Ads Manager for paid traffic. In the Composer, paste the landing page URL and wait for the link preview to load. If the preview is wrong, refresh the OG tags on your site. Then add UTM parameters to the URL so analytics attributes traffic correctly. Finally, in Ads Manager, choose the conversion event that Pixel should record, define audience and placements, and save your creative. You finish by launching the post or ad and immediately verifying that the Pixel records page views and conversion events. Open your landing page and watch real-time events in Events Manager. If events fail, run the Facebook Sharing Debugger and install the Pixel Helper extension. These tools identify missing OG tags, blocked scripts, or mixed content errors. If problems persist, clear caches, check server headers, and make sure no ad blocker is blocking calls. Then iterate on creative and audience until performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.